Hey, it's Holly. Welcome to Living It Country. In today's video, we are going to be doing some Christmas decorating, just some really simple touches before Thanksgiving, and adding greenery, candles, tea towels, the absolute basics. And I can't wait to take you guys along today. So without further ado, let's get started. We are going to begin the Christmas decorating with adjusting this little vintage stool and removing that sweet little plant off of that stool and replacing it with this vintage piece, and then adding in this Christmas tree. I actually didn't think this was gonna fit when I first shared it, and with a little bit of muscle it was able to fit, and I love the way this looks. I love adding everyday decor and figuring out a way to use it for the seasons, and that way I don't have to pack the everyday items away. Now we're headed right next to this area in the entryway. We're going to add some pieces for Christmas. I found this piece at Walmart and I love the way it looks on this black hutch. This is something I got at a garage sale even before we moved into this home, and I still love it. And above, we're taking that everyday piece down. I think I'm going to add it to the bathroom, and I have this cute little Creative Co-op Christmas tree. We're bringing the vintage basket into our front room, and I'm gonna add these beautiful gold bells from Cotton and Crete into there. I think this just gives a really sweet, cozy, and elevated look, and I love the way that this is styled. Now, of course, you can't have a Christmas video without a beautiful Christmas candle going. I recently got this one. I believe it's the Christmas tree scent. I had a fall one too, and I was able to burn that in no time just because I'm always burning candles. And this one is just so cute in this crock. You can see a lot of our everyday pieces, and we're figuring out a way to make it flow with that Christmas season. I'm adding this little Christmas tree. It's got lots of glitter and shimmer and shine on it. And I'm adding it into my crock. Of course, Jedi's there. And then I'm adding these sweet little Amazon finds. These are just crocheted Christmas trees. I have spotted these at McGee & Co. online too. And years ago, I got these at Michael's craft store and thought they would be the perfect addition to this table. Now, you might have noticed these beautiful chairs. These are from Art Leon, and they are kindly sponsoring today's video. This is their Mocha Art Pyramid Swivel Chair, and I got a set of 2 of them, 360 degrees, and they're the perfect addition to do little Christmas crafts at this table this season. And Jedi is relaxing on the modern accent chair in the Sherpa upholstery, and we have this in the off-white. I thought that this gave just such a snowy kind of Christmas effect, and I thought you guys would enjoy it too. A big thank you again to Art Leon for sponsoring this portion of today's video, and I really hope you guys enjoy. Now I am just adding this cute and cozy white blanket as the base skirt to our Christmas tree. And at this angle, I couldn't see that my tag is still on my Christmas tree, letting me know that this is the base of the Christmas tree. So now I know I need to remove that. And of course, Jedi is here helping as always. For some reason in this video, he was just obsessed with the camera. Now we are going to start decorating my Christmas tree. You guys can see my cute little furniture pieces and how they are styled in this space. And this tree is the family tree. This is the meaningful tree full of every single piece being a piece that has some sort of sentimental value to it. Whether it be my kids' photos on it from when they were in school or preschool or kindergarten, or whether it be a handmade thing that we made at home, something that my mom and the kids made together, a Christmas ornament that my mother-in-law and I picked out when we visited in Florida years ago at Hobby Lobby. Just so many sentimental pieces. Ones when I was a child, pictures of my husband and I when we first got married. And I just love this tree so much for that reason. I chose this year to bring this tree into this space because it's the first space that you see when you walk into our home. And I wanted it to just bring so much joy to my family and the people that walk into our home, and so that the people that are in our lives know how important they are. There's also ornaments on here that were gifted to my daughter from her friends, and I think that that brings joy probably to them too, being able to see that they are on our Christmas tree. Kind of like when you have photos of your friends in your room, which my daughter has that too. And I know my daughter loves that, and I'm sure her friends do the same thing too. Now, if you guys are curious about this Christmas tree, this is what I like to call the Charlie Brown Christmas tree. It's very bare and sparse, and it takes some getting used to love. I love the way it looks from far away, but when you get close, I'm not so fond of it. But I think it is a great tree, and it's great for our family, and I'm not going to go out and buy just the newest, greatest Christmas tree just because. I'll stick to what I have and enjoy it while I have it, and maybe one day get a different one. I do have another Christmas tree which I do love, and that will go in our main living room, but you guys will see that in a Christmas video to come, and I'm obsessed with that Christmas tree. Now, I know I will get questions about this. The Christmas ornaments that I am placing up here are wood Christmas ornaments. We add these to our tree every year, and we get new ones made every single year with updated family photos. And I love these. They are by the same brand of those photos on that wood accent wall back there. And they are by a brand called Pretty and Polka Dot, and I'll link them down below. I own quite a few of their products, and I'm pretty sure I still have an affiliate link. And if I do, I will link that down below. I believe it's 35% off. I hope you all loved today's Christmas Decorate with me. Let me know your guys' favorite part in the comments down below, and I will see you guys in our next video. Bye.